Man, I'm just so hungry. Let's see what I have in here to eat. Oh god. There's so much food. It's beautiful. Takes me back to a day when I don't remember having that much. Yeah, let's see what I got over here to make. Man, there ain't fucking shit in this house to make. Man, what the fuck is this? Guess I'll just have to use some of this conveniently placed food right here. Let's get right on into it. Today we're making some ghetto spaghetti. Fuck yeah.
Okay, let's try something different.
Okay guys, so when you're making ghetto spaghetti, first thing you're gonna have to do, get your water boiling, which I already got started. Next thing you gotta do is get your hand on some of these ramen noodle packets. Boom, good to go. Get them in, get your water boiling, wait for them to boil, set them right there. Now the second problem, the meat. See, I just use a can of spaghetti meat. You know, the meatballs and spaghetti cans. People are like, why don't you just eat the spaghetti then? I'm like, fuck that, because I don't like the noodle taste. So what you do is you open the can up, dump it out, you just go through and you pick out the meat. So this is going to be a fast forwarding. Okay guys, once you pick out your meat, you just come on over here. You give them a little rinse off, unless you like the taste of that spaghetti sauce, I guess. You can do whatever you want. With meatballs, a little rinse. Okay, once you finish with that, I'm gonna bring you guys on over here to where the pan is, where the action's gonna be. Let's do it. So when you get it over here, you're gonna take your olive oil, vegetable oil, or bacon grease, whichever one you prefer, whichever one you use. Put it into your pan. Spread it around the bottom. And then turn the heat on to get it hot before you toss anything into there. Let that sit there for a second. Fast forward time because cooking always takes a little bit. Okay guys, about hot enough here to throw the meat in, so you know, take your little meatballs that you had before and just toss them around in there. Let these saute up a little bit. With a handy dandy spatula. If you're gonna season it with something, you know, whatever you want to season it with, I'm gonna use some salt and pepper, a little bit of cayenne seasoning, just throw it in there with it. Toss it around a little bit, wait for them to start to get hot and warm before you add your pasta sauce. Yeah. It's getting about right there. Turn it on low. Our noodles are going to be just about ready to toss in there, so it shouldn't take very long. See how hot the water is. Yeah, it's good to go. We can toss your noodles on in there. You take your packets, toss them right into the water. Now this recipe I'm making here, depends how much you like pasta, I guess. It's plenty to feed 2 to 3 people. And all these ingredients here were bought from the local Aldi's. It only cost around $6 some odd change. So I mean, pretty fast to make. Good to go, okay. take your pasta sauce of 24 ounces. Use however much pasta sauce you like. Put it right on in there. I usually use use about a full jar. I like pasta sauce, so your own preference choice. Turn the heat on low. Let it simmer a little bit while you wait for your noodles to get done, and this too will be a part we fast forward through as well. So now we just play the waiting game. Take time. You gonna get in here after what? Bitch, run, 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 run. You also need one of these bad boys. Set. Just gonna stir it around. Do a little dance over here.
Hey, get out of here! What are you doing? This is my pasta! Hey, what's the matter with you? Hey!
Sorry about that, guys. I don't know who that fucking prick was. Fast forwarding still. Okay, then while all this stuff is going, if you are a fan of garlic bread, but you don't want to buy garlic bread price, you can go buy a loaf of white bread, or whatever bread you prefer, toss it into the toaster, and make some ghetto garlic bread, which I'm about to do now while this is all cooking, so let's jump on over there. So when you're doing your ghetto garlic bread, just get a little bit of butter. Spread it around evenly. So this is your own choice. Depends on how much butter you like and how much garlic you like. So once you get to here, boom, take a little bit of garlic seasoning and just sprinkle it around the bread. I'm not a huge fan of a lot of garlic on my bread, but it is also your own personal choice. So guys, here's how you make ghetto garlic bread. And then our spaghetti should be done here soon, so let's jump back to that.
Anyway, guys, this is Zach with the Craze Difference. We made ghetto spaghetti on the cheap. But as always, comment, like, subscribe, and have a good evening.
That's a good idea.